Prince, every time I get on the computer, you're always in the way. I put tape up here because you turned my computer off twice. And now you won't let me get on. What's up with you and my computer? You gonna move? Prince? Are you gonna, whoa. Are you gonna move from Mama? What you doing? What are you doing, Prince? Even a dog wants you to move. Oh, don't do that. You're gonna knock the monitor over. I got you on video so people can see how naughty you are. Come on, Mommy's gotta... Oh, come on, Prince. You can't lay there. My mouse won't work. I don't think it will. Alright, let's see if I can... Guess it still moves. Is that where you're gonna stay put? You don't want to go in your cat tree? No? What are you doing, Prince? Prince. Uh-oh. Princess, you gotta get Prince off the computer. Hey, puppy. What are we gonna do with Prince? He won't get off Mommy's computer. Yeah, you need to tell him who's boss. Now you tell Prince to get off Mommy's computer. What? What do you want? What's your problem? What's your problem, Princess? What does that mean? What? What do you need? What? What do you want? You want something? What the heck? You want, hey. You want a treat? You want cheese? You want ham? You want roast beef? You want bacon? What do you think about Princess, Prince? What do you think about the puppy dog? Well, Mama, she's kind of noisy. Noisy dog. What? What do you want? Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? Are you cute? Are you spoiled? Are you spoiled? Yes, you are. You spoiled, Princess. You're spoiled. Yes, you are. Prince, are you spoiled? Prince. Why is Puppy so noisy? Why Puppy noisy? I guess I'm not going on the computer. I guess the bills can wait. I'll pay the bills when you go take a nap somewhere. Oh. What? All right, say goodbye to everybody. Say bye. Say bye. You gonna say bye? Say bye. Oh, that's good enough.